welcome back to Disney and Coffee. My name is Marina and I am so excited. We're getting ready to leave for Disney and we leave tomorrow night for the hotel in Houston and then we fly out Wednesday morning super early, and I've got my cup of coffee, so why don't you go ahead and grab yours and let's get started packing. So obviously today's video is going to be a little bit different than normal because it's going to be more vlogging style, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I pack for Disney, how I pack for Disney. I've been doing laundry, and as I've been doing my laundry, I've been putting everything in one laundry basket, so that way it's kind of all together and things like that. I have my big suitcase here. I have my bag I just got back from my t-shirt lady with all the t-shirts in it. I started packing my toiletries just because I usually have a lot of minis around, and so I always just throw those in my bag. I've got my mini ears, my bows, my hats, kind of got a little bit of everything, the magic bands. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpack this and let's get rolling. Suitcase. We'll see how that works. I have a bunch of packing cubes. I've never used packing cubes before, so this should be interesting because I would normally pack like all my clothes on this side, and then I would pack like my toiletries and my shoes on this side, but I don't think that's gonna work with these packing cubes. So let's go ahead and see. I have my flat iron case in here. It's apparently got a wrapper in it, but I've got that in here already. I've also got some travel laundry detergent. We stay in the villas at Disney, so they usually always have a washer and dryer. If not, there's one close by. So I have that and some dryer sheets. And this suitcase has a whip bag, which I really like because if it, heaven forbid, it spills, I've got it covered. So let's try to pack these all up, but let me first go through kind of what I have. I have my bras, my knickers, I have my jeans, I have shorts, I have I always buy brand new socks for Disney vacations. It's just I don't want to have to fight with trying to find all matching socks, so I just buy new ones. So I bought some low riding ones for my Vans, and then I bought just regular ones my regular sneakers. So I have some dresses. I have some more dresses hanging up on my door because we're going to Chico's for the Lion King dinner, so I needed some nice dresses to kind of pick from, and I'm not exactly sure which one I'm going to take yet, or if I'm going to just take all of them. I have my Spirit jerseys. I have two sweaters. I have a Star Wars one, and then I have just a regular pullover that's from Disney as well. And then I have all of our couples shirts. These ones I'm actually going to pack in the carry-on bag. These are the birthday boy and birthday squad shirts. So I'm just going to pack these ones in our carry-on because we're going to need these when we get to Disney because we're wearing them the first day. But I like wearing baggy clothes on the airplane. So I'm going to set these ones off to the side because we're not going to pack those ones in this suitcase. I have my swimsuits. I need to pull a couple more pairs of jammies. I thought I packed more, but apparently I only pulled one pair. So I'm going to need to pull some more of those. But then we have a gazillion swimsuits, which I'm going to have to go through because I can't take all of those. So let's go ahead and get packing. some shoes like right there or something. But I think I've almost got it figured out. If I have time, because I do have to go up to work for a little bit, like I said earlier. But if I have time, I will go through and kind of show you what toiletries I'm bringing. If not, I will do that when I get home, so I'll be in different clothes, but it's okay. So I'm kind of packing a lot, and I know I'm packing a lot. We're only going for like 7 days and then 8 including tomorrow, like if you count tomorrow. But the reason I'm packing so much is because it gets so hot in Florida that I am somebody who absolutely hates, not that I think anybody likes wearing sweaty clothes, but I hate like being able to go back to the hotel and then not having a change of clothes to change into when I have the opportunity to sit here and take a shower and freshen up before lunch or before dinner. So I bring extra clothes for the sake of that. Can I just mention, these Spirit jerseys are kind of a pain in the butt to fold because they're so like bulky. Probably another reason why I'm worried about not doing that, because I have 3 Spirit jerseys and 2 hoodies, because I tend to wear a long sleeve shirt in the morning because I'm someone who gets cold super easy. And since we have a breakfast buffet reservation every morning, I always start out the morning with a long sleeve shirt with a Spirit jersey on, and then I'll either wear my tank top underneath if I'm wearing a tank top that day, or I will just in general just go to the bathroom and change out and then tuck my Spirit jersey in my backpack. That's not usually a big deal for me. So thinking actually all these Spirit jerseys will actually fit in here if I do them right. Oh, cool. Okay, let's try to fit these hoodies in here too. But so yeah, so this is my very first time packing with packing cubes, so I kind of have no clue how to pack with them. So if you guys have any tips on how to pack with packing cubes and you guys do it regularly, go ahead and share those down below, because I know there's something that a lot of people are interested in right now, and like I think it would be really helpful to a lot of people. You guys just want to go ahead and share those. Let's see if this will close. I just got to fit one of my hoodies in here. And I felt like I had to bring my Star Wars hoodie because Star Wars Land just opened. So, well, Galaxy Edge just opened. So, boom, that fits. Cool. So I guess if anything, I can just lay this on top over here. So like I said, I'm packing a carry-on too. It's Aaron's birthday, so I have a lot of like goodies in that bag that I need to have access to as soon as we get to Disney. And so I'm going to just go ahead and put them in there, put all our clothes in there for that day, and then we'll be able to just not touch the check bags that day. So that should be nice. I will show y'all more of our couple shirts and like our family shirts and things like that. When we're in Disney, we'll kind of do like a cute little like, this is what we're wearing today, you know? So I will go ahead and do that as well. Out of the dryer, out of my closet and stuff. But so I have some cute Cinderella ones, super cute. Actually, surprisingly, I got these super flowy, super lightweight ones, and then these are a little bit heavier, but they're still super, super comfy, and they have like a little pocket on the side, which I love jammy pants with pockets. But I actually got these at Walmart, and they were like $9 a piece. They were so cheap. But these ones have Dumbo, and these ones have Gus Gus on them and Jacques. So I'm so excited. I love Cinderella. Cinderella is one of my favorites as a kid. So I was super excited to find those. And then I also have this cute navy short set. I think I got this from Adore Me. They had, when they first started, they had some really, really cute jammy sets. And now I'm just kind of like about their stuff. So, but, and then I'm just bringing an extra pair of regular jammy pants. These ones are, I think, from Walmart too. You don't have to spend an arm. That I feel like makes your feet more susceptible to blister than some wet shoes. So I always pack extra shoes. I always pack a pair of flip-flops with some straps on the back, or sandals with straps on the back, whichever, it doesn't matter. I think I'm trying to decide which pair of shoes which pair of flippy flops I want. But I'm just gonna take 2 of these pairs of sneakers. Actually, these ones are super comfy. I've worn these ones on several Disney trips, and they're just the best. I have these ones as well. These ones are the ones I'm gonna be wearing to the airport because they just slide on. They don't have any actual laces, so super easy for security. So I'm gonna leave those out. I'm gonna pack these ones. I just bought these ones. I think, once again, I'm a girl on a budget, but I think Walmart actually makes some of the best little knockoff fans, and since they're literally $5, I don't even bother washing them at this point. I just go buy a new pair. They last 6 months, whatever. Buy a new pair for trips. If I want to wash them, they do wash actually fairly nicely. They wash, so just take note on that as well. But don't be afraid to go buy some Walmart shoes. They can be comfy. You just gotta know what you're getting. So then I also have these wedges that I'm gonna be wearing with one of the shoes the dresses that we're bringing. So let's see, where can I put these wedges? They're just wedges are so bulky. That's my only downside to wedges. Okay. Almost got everything packed. We've got the hats, which I will take over here. Yes, I know I'm taking quite a few hats. I'm actually missing like my favorite hat and I have no clue where it is, so, but that's okay. We'll just pack these ones and we'll call it good. I also have my mini ears, so I don't know exactly how much I'm going to be wearing these. I wear them, but I don't wear them. It's just kind of hit and miss on when I decide I want to wear them or not. Sometimes they make your heads hurt, so, but I'm going to pack these ones in my carry-on bag so that way I have them for when we're in the parks because they do match the shirts. So I'm going to throw these ones back in here. And I actually need to pick up one more pair of mini ears from a friend that has them. So I need to get those. But for the most part, guys, I think we're packed. How great is that? So let me go get a fresh cup of coffee and I'll be right back. Moment of truth. I think it was close because this, oh, hold on, I forgot these. I think it'll close because there's an expander on here, but let's see. But the true moment of truth is, it doesn't need the weight limits. So, I just hit myself with it. because it fit. Thanks again for joining my channel and watching me pack for my Disney trip. I hope it helped you guys out. Once again, my name is Marina. This is Disney and Coffee, where we want to make your Disney vacations just a little bit more magical, one video at a time. Thanks guys, I'll see y'all later.